Well, yes, the results will take a bit of a backseat where RBL is concerned, but Emirates NBD coming in is obviously a very big deal because it's a pref issue and it's going to come in and buy 60% plus stake in RBL. With the open offer, it will be around 75%, mind you. So, if the entire open offer, which is at a 7% discount to current market price, does get subscribed, that will be the kind of stake Emirates NBD will own. But more importantly, it's also about how much in terms of value does Emirates NBD add to an RBL bank. It's a very, very solid promoter entity which will come in. Just in terms of numbers, Emirates NBD has 16 times, over 16 times the assets that RBL has, 15 times the loan book, over 15 times the deposit book that it has, and has an 80% larger profit than what an RBL bank has done over the last 12 months, and therefore it's substantially larger. Also, secondly, this will mean that the cost of funds for RBL bank will likely come down. How long does it take is the question, but it will likely come down. Third piece, no problems with regard to raw material, therefore. You will have a large equity base already. RBL Bank, mind you, at 18,000 crore in terms of market cap. Another $3 billion added will mean that a much larger chunk will actually come in equity terms. And it's not at a substantial discount as well. 7% discount coming in at around 1.08 times price to book is not a very expensive transaction for Emirates NBD either. A re-rating in the bank could obviously be very, very positive for an Emirates in terms of value, and that's something that probably they will look out for. A little bit of a cleanup anticipated, maybe some new management will likely come in as well. So a lot of things to look out for, but most importantly, it will be that cost of funds number which will likely come down. Lower raw material cost for a bank will likely mean that better profitability will come through. That's broadly the take, of course, but this is a big transaction, much awaited, long known that something like this will come, but it's a very large one.